With just 1 yard of fabric, you can make this beautiful top that you can style in so many ways. However, if you want it reversible like mine, you'll be needing two types of fabric. So from your 1 yard of fabric, you're going to cut out a square piece of fabric that measured 32 inches by 32 inches, okay? So just go ahead and cut that out from the fabric. So 32 inches by 32 inches. It's just a single piece, it's not on a fold. So please take note of that. Okay, so for people that just want it one single piece, so you go ahead now and hem the four corners, okay? Then from the hem line on one side here, you're going to come up by 10 inches and you're going to create a curve just like this to the other side. Then you go ahead and cut it out, okay? So this is for people that don't want their hair reversible. So just a single piece like this, I'm going to hem it all around, all right? You hem here, you hem all the angles. And remember, the first piece you cut out is 32 by 32. On one side, come up by 10 and create a curve. Next, you're going to be notching the position where the belt is going to be. So fold it over like this. And from the top, you're just going to measure 20 inches downward and you're going to notch it. That's going to be the position where you're going to be having your belt. So you notch it, okay? That's for the belt sides at the lower part of the blouse. So next, we are going to be cutting out the belt. For the belt, you're going to be placing your fabric into four folds. You're going to be cutting out your belt. The length of this belt is going to be 30 inches and the width is going to be 2 inches at the upper part. At the lower part is going to be 3.5 inches. So when you bring this out now, you have two belts. So you still need another one exactly like this because we're going to be having four belts on this top. So this is my belt. I'll just fold it like this and then start sewing. So you stitch it like this all the way to the top. So when you are done, you turn it inside out and make sure you give it a good press. Next, you're going to be attaching the belt to that position that we notch and as well as the upper part. And please note, your belt must not be as wide or as big as mine. And just have it like a single tiny rope. So just do whatever works for you. I prefer this belt because it makes the dress to cover me back. So that's the reason. So you can have it just a single tiny rope and put it on the four corners. Remember, you put at the top, the very beginning of the fabric on both sides, then at the positions that will match. So just go ahead and pin. Remember, I didn't hem mine because I want my reversible. So if you don't want yours reversible, just hem just the way I said. So go ahead and attach the belt to the four corners just as a pin. This top is very easy to make. It won't even take you 5 minutes to make it. And it's really, really trendy now. Everybody is just making it. Like most of the people that are very ready to wear now, they are doing it, you know. So when you are done, this is how it's going to look. So go ahead and style it however you want it. It is so beautiful. So this is just for people that want a single. You can see this is just a single piece. Just a single piece. Now for us that want it doubled. So this particular one that you cut exactly the same thing on another fabric, and that's going to serve as the lining. So you just cut another one exactly like this, the same shape, the same length, everything exactly. All right. So once you are done, place that one that you cut on top of it, right side to right side, and you sew all the sides with 1/2 inch allowance, leaving a little opening which you can use to bring everything out to the good side. So this is how you have it as a reversible blouse. You can either have it single just the way I explained, but for us that want it reversible, this is how you do it. So when you are done, turn it to the good side. So you see that little opening that you use and bring it out, you close it. And please, when you are sewing it, remember, don't catch your belt. Just put your belt in the way I have shown you on the table. At this stage, if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, what are you waiting for? Please kindly hit the subscribe button so that you can become part of this channel. And if you're not a channel member yet, feel free to click that join button so that you can become part of the channel supporter. Part of the people that support me on this channel that makes me to come here every time. And if you have not watched the tutorial for this pants, I will leave the link in the description box. So go ahead and watch it so that you can make sure it's just a beautiful pants that fits everybody. If you're into ready to wear, you should be making this because it fits everybody. So you can see the other more